Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of a plus b, given that a times log to base 1971 of 3 plus b times log to base 1971 of 73 is equal to 2012. Now, to solve this problem, what we are going to do is that we will apply the power law of logarithm to these two log terms. When we do that, this now becomes log to base 1971 of 3 to the power a. And here we have log to base 1971 of 73 to the power b. And of course, this sum is still equal to 2012. Now, remember that when we have log a plus log b, that this is equal to log a multiplied by b. So we can write this left-hand side as log to base 1971 of 3 to power a multiplied by 73 to power b. And of course, this is still equal to 2012. Now, furthermore, remember that when we have a statement like this, that is something that looks like log to base a of b is equal to c. That this simply means that a to the power c is equal to b. That is, b is equal to a to the power c. So this statement simply means that 3 to power a multiplied by 73 to power b is equal to 1971 to the power 2012. Now let us look at this number, that is 1971. We know that this number is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits of this number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. And of course, 18 divided by 3 is 9. So let us divide this number by 3 and see what we get. So we have 1971 divided by 3. 3 into 19 is 6. That is 18. Remainder 1. 3 into 17 is 5. That is 15. Remainder 2. 3 into 21 is 7. Now, 3 can go again. 3 into 6 is 2. 3 into 5 is 1. Remainder 2. 3 into 27 is 9. 3 once more. 3 into 21 is 7. And 3 into 9 is 3. Of course, 73 is a prime number. So here we have 73. 73 into 73 is 1. So this can be written as 3 to the power a multiplied by 73 to the power b is equal to 3 to the power 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 73 to the power 2012. Now, opening this bracket, on the right hand side we have 3 to the power 3 times 2012. That is 6036 multiplied by 73 to the power 1 times 2012. That is 73 to the power 2012. And of course, this is equal to 3 to the power a multiplied by 73 to the power b. So now when we compare the two sides of this equation, we have that a is equal to 6036 and b is equal to 2012. And of course, a plus b, which is what we are looking for, is equal to 8408. So we have that when a log 1971 of 3 plus b log 1971 of 73 is equal to 2012, then a plus b is equal to 8048. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.